Good morning, guys. Sorry, I have to clean the camera off. Good morning. My alarm just went off. But I wanted to come on here and say good morning to you guys because as you can see, I'm already getting ready to head out. I really don't have to do all this, but I snatched my lashes off last night because when I got out the shower, they were already like falling off. So I snatched them last night, and now I put them back on. But I was like, I don't know, once I start playing makeup, once I did my eyebrows, okay, she just texted me. Once I started doing that stuff, I just was like, might as well just conceal my eyes. I'm not really doing anything, just concealing my under eyes because I have dark circles. Okay, let's have dark circles. So I was just concealing my eyes. Making sure they're even before I powder them. And yes, I'm getting ready to go and do some hair, and I'm so excited because I've been trying to do someone or anyone's hair. I've wanted to do some crochet methods that I've been seeing on social media. So, yeah, I'm about to go. But I just wanted to stop by and say good morning. Good morning. Just wanted to stop by to say good morning. How y'all doing? Happy Sunday. I'm in church right now actually, and we just took a this is donation time, so I wanted to stop by and say hello before I leave you guys, because I'm about to go back to church. I know I'm watching church on my phone because normally I put church on my TV. It's on YouTube, so normally I put it on my TV, but today I just put it on my phone because I'm gonna be traveling today, so I wanted to get the word in even when I'm about to head out. So I just wanted to come and say hey to you real quick. I am gonna go back to church, so I'm gonna call y'all back, but I wanted to start the vlog off because I'm going to do my godmother's hair. I will try to vlog as much as I can because, like I said, I'm watching church service on my phone. So when I finish that, it's gonna take a few hours anyway. So I will meet you guys back up when I am doing her hair. So I will see you guys soon. Happy Sunday.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "Come on!"
This is where we are. Hey guys, so since she was headed off to Jamaica, we wanted to give her some really cute fauxs locks, and we wanted to find a good way to install them but make sure that they didn't fall out like regular crochets would possibly do. So I had found this method on Instagram of wrapping the braiding hair around the fauxs locks. And so I was trying a new method of installing the fauxs locks without getting this really annoying bump at the top. So you see me just wrapping the hair because I braided and parted her hair, and then I included the fauxs locks, and then I just went through and wrapped all of them. So stay tuned as I'm just continuing the process of wrapping them. If you want me to do more in-depth video, please let me know by dropping a comment in the comment section below. Thanks. So at this point, we're just chit-chatting, and we're actually watching the Prince Harry and Meghan Markle documentary on Netflix. and we're just chit-chatting and loving every minute of it. It's so cute and romantic. Let me know if you have watched the Meghan Markle and Prince Harry documentary. I mean, it's definitely romantic, but it is like, it's like life, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, because it's like a love story, but then it's also reality at the same time. So it's something that's obviously beautiful, but it's wrapped in chaos like most of our lives sometimes. But I think there's beauty within the chaos, and that's the part of it that captivated most of us. But let me know what you guys think. I'm just, here, just rapping away, y'all. Just rapping and rapping. And I promise you, once I get a hang of it, I move quickly. So once I get the hang of the braids and how to wrap it, and my method of installing the crochet with her hair and still wrapping it, we were able to move fastly. But I needed to get a good grip because it was my first time doing this way of wrapping the hair, this method specifically. So I needed to get a good grip, and then jump on camera and show you guys what I was up to, because I said I was at church and I was using my phone. So I got a few in before I started showing it to you guys, but you guys see I get better.
She was so upset about it. Okay, do me one favor. We're gonna tilt you all the way back. Hold on, here. We're gonna tilt you all the way back. I'm done.
I don't think that I like Christopher because he's like very similar to my personality. There's only room for one star. It's kind of me.
How's it going? I mean, I'm not sure this garment like this. The fabric, it's just not working. I decided to use some ruffles in the front. I started to gather the fabric, but the sewing machine is not taking it. It got no part. I hate it. Everything's falling apart. The stitches are not staying. And I can't figure it out. I'm not even like near to be done with this stupid skirt. If I don't make this happen, I'm gonna get kicked out.
And voila, just like that, we have wrapped up, we are finished, and she is still beautiful as can be, honey. So yes, she is ready for her fun in the sun in Jamaica, Jamaica. Oh baby, when you're done like that, you ain't going. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.